Hi guys, it's me Vasiliki, and in this video we are going to be unboxing the Body Shop Advent Calendar. I was left with some Advent calendars that I didn't unbox before Christmas, and I was actually thinking about unboxing them off camera, but some of you are still asking me for Advent calendar videos, and this is the only way to do them because Advent calendars are released in September until December. So this is an Advent calendar unboxing in May. About this Advent calendar, it is the biggest one. It was called Ultimate. This one contains 24 products and the price of it was 130 euros. This one is the biggest Advent calendar by Body Shop, also the most expensive. They had also released 2 more Advent calendars that I have unboxed before Christmas, or maybe not. I think yes. At the end of this video we are going to be ranking this Advent calendar, and also we are going to rank all of the Body Shop Advent calendars. The design of this box is absolutely amazing and beautiful, very Christmassy, very festive. I have really missed Advent calendar videos, to be honest, and I'm very excited for the new season of Advent calendars that are gonna be released most probably in September again. Share this video with a friend that likes unboxing videos, and also don't forget to subscribe for more makeup reviews and tutorials. The total value for this one is 267 euros. So I'm guessing that we have a lot of full-size products in this Advent calendar. And let's start with box number 1. It sounds like a hand cream. Oh, it's not. And this one is the Vitamin E Moisture Cream for all skin types. We also had this in the medium size of the Body Shop Advent Calendar, the Deluxe, and I have tried it already. It's a very nice moisturizing cream, very calming and lightweight. This one doesn't have SPF, so I'm using it at night and it's very nice for my skin. This one is a full size. And let's continue with box number 2. This one also feels full size. I'm gonna say a shampoo. Let's see. Oh my god, I was very close. It is a shower gel. This one is the Mango Shower Gel and it contains 250 milliliters. I have tried this in strawberry and it was very nice. My husband is gonna love this. He's also using the shampoo and the conditioner in banana. So let's see where is box number 3. Oh, it's here. Ooh, that's so cute. Okay, I'm guessing that we have here a lip butter. How do we open this? It looks like you can open it from anywhere, but I just couldn't. Ta-da! Found it! This one is the lip butter in mango, and we have 10 milliliters. We have a scratch here. Why Body Shop? The lip butters are very nourishing as well. This one is also a full size. Most probably I'm gonna give it to my sister. And then box number 4. Oh my god. And box number 4 here, super cute. This is very lightweight. I'm gonna say again a hand cream, but I don't think it is. Ooh, I found it. This one is the pink grapefruit hand cream, and this is also a full size. So I'm guessing all of the products in this one are full size, maybe? Now I'm actually using the almond and the milk and honey. No, almond milk and honey, and this is very nice. It is fast absorbing and not sticky. It is a very nice formula. Moving on to box number 5. It's this one here. Oh my god, it's in the corner. It's never getting out. Got it! Maybe this one is a toner. I'm not sure if they sell toners because I have been using Body Shop products. Ooh, it's a shampoo. Okay, so my husband is using this. He loves it. Also, the scent is not so strong, and maybe I will also use it to just see if it is nourishing for my burnt and damaged hair. This one is for normal to dry hair, and we have 250 milliliters. We had the full size also in the Ultimate, in the medium size Advent calendar, and in the small Advent calendar we had a mini size. So basically everyone got this shampoo. It's the first day in May in Berlin that we have good weather, but I just wanted to drink some tea for some reason. And also this one is a Christmas cup. Okay, we are in Christmassy mood here. Okay, where were we? Box number 6 is also in the corner. Come here. Ooh, and it is looking like this. So this is very lightweight. I'm gonna say a sheet mask. Come to me. Ta-da! We have here the Vitamin E Quench sheet mask. It is enriched with natural origin hyaluronic acid. After 15 minutes, thirsty skin feels hydrated, softer and smoother. Okay, that's nice. Also, this one is biodegradable. And here we have box number 7. This is also very lightweight. It is definitely a sheet mask. Oh my god. What is this? It's a brush. So this one is the facial mask brush. Oh my god, I don't have a brush like this. Oh, we have a plastic layer inside the plastic layer. Inception! Ooh, this brush is gorgeous. We have synthetic bristles. Also, it is a wood handle. It says 100% wood. The bristles are firm. You want that for applying your mask. Box number 8. This one is super heavy. I'm gonna say a candle. I'm not sure if they sell candles. It's not. This one is the Himalayan Charcoal Purifying Glow Mask. And we have 75 milliliters, so you can use it with a brush. We actually had this in the medium advent calendar and I haven't tried it yet. Oh my god, it smells amazing. I'm going to try this one, the mini, and if I like it, I will continue with this one. Box number 9 is also very, very heavy. I'm thinking that we have the banana conditioner in this one because it is a very similar box. Ta-da! I'm right. This one is the Banana Truly Nourishing Conditioner for normal to dry hair. We have 250 milliliters and this is what my husband is using and he loves it. The scent is not so bad now that I smell it. Ooh, this is very lightweight and thin. I'm gonna say a nail file. And we have, dun dun dun, ooh, we have a mascara. This one is the Happy Go Lash Mascara. It contains 9 milliliters. I have never tried the mascara by Body Shop and I'm actually in the middle of a mascara project. Let's see the applicator. Ooh, it's nice. We have a fiber brush and it is very thin. I can work with this applicator and the packaging is super adorable, very aesthetically pleasing, super cute. 11, where are you? 11. It was right in front of me. I'm gonna say a lip butter. It's very small. Oh. It's not. And this is the Nicaraguan Coffee Intense Awakening Mask. And it is the first mini product in this advent calendar. Are we disappointed? Not really. We got exactly the same product in the medium advent calendar. It is this one here. And I haven't tried it yet. It is totally new. Oh my god, it smells so good. Who loves coffee products? Me, please. Me. So where is box number 12? Who knows? Dun, 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 dun. Box number 12 is a little bit heavy. I'm gonna say a shower gel because I don't know. This one here is the Vitamin C Energizing Face Mist with Vitamin C Rich Camu Camu. This is the first time that I'm getting this product. We have 100 milliliters and this one is for dull, tired and grumpy skin. For me. So I'm going just to spray some on the back of my hand because I'm testing a new foundation by e.l.f. and I don't want to use a face mist. Oh, it smells very energizing. The scent is a little bit stronger. 13 is super gorgeous and very heavy. I'm going to say a body cream. Okay, body cream. Lock it. Ta-da-da! Fail. This is a shower gel. This one is the pink grapefruit shower gel. We have 250 milliliters. This one contains pink grapefruit seed oil. By the way, let me know in the comments if you have any favorite products by Body Shop. Box number 14 is super light. I'm gonna say a sheet mask. Oh, it was open. What happened here? And we have a lip product. This one is the matte lip liquid in the shade Nairobi Camellia. We got exactly the same in the medium advent calendar. It's this one here, so let's do some swatches. This one has like a moussey consistency. Lip creams are usually very comfortable on the lips. Αγάπη, ανοίγεις την πόρτα γιατί έσκασα. Πες yeah.
Yeah.
So box number 15 let's put this back or else I'm gonna spill it everywhere. And it is a huge box. I'm gonna say a body cream. Let's see what we have. Oh my god, it looks like a smoothie. So this one is the Berry Bath Blend. It is a hydrating bath foam with strawberry seed oil, beetroot and bilberry extract. We have 250 milliliters. It is a full size. Oh my god, it smells amazing. I love the color of the packaging. Super pretty. Box 16 here. It sounds like powder. Baking powder. I'm gonna say bath salts. And we have a headband. We also had this in the medium advent calendar, so I'm gonna keep this for my sister. It's nice that we have the face masks, the brush for the face mask, also the headband for your hair. That's very thoughtful. 17 is looking at me for quite some time. I'm gonna say again a body cream. And we have not the body cream. This one is the Vitamin E Gentle Facial Wash with protective vitamin E and moisturizing wheat germ oil. It is for all skin types and we have 125 milliliters. Box number 18. This one reminds me how much I'm missing Christmas. Who is with me? Raise your hand. It's lightweight. I'm gonna say a lip butter. Oh, it's a lip butter. So this one is the strawberry lip butter and it looks delicious. I have used this again many years ago when Body Shop was in Cyprus as well. After some years it was closed, and now that I live in Germany you can find Body Shop everywhere. I'm not very sure if you can still find Body Shop in Cyprus. Box number 19. Oh, I'm gonna say body butter. Yes, I think it's the size. Dun dun dun! This one is my favorite body butter by Body Shop. It is called Almond Milk and Honey for sensitive and dry skin. It is a soothing and restoring body butter. I was thinking about placing an order. This one does wonders for my skin. Αγάπη, έχει την κρέμα μου.
Ποια κρέμα? Oh my god!
Yes! Fist bump. My husband knows about Body Shop too. Should I say shower gel or body cream? I'm gonna say body cream. It's not. This one is a chamomile gentle eye makeup remover with calming chamomile extract and we have 250 milliliters. It is suitable for sensitive skin. We had this in the medium advent calendar. I have used it just once and I don't remember if I like it. I would definitely remember if it had irritated my skin. Moving on to box number 21. This is definitely a sheet mask. Definitely. Found it! This one is a vitamin C glow sheet mask. It is enriched with vitamin C rich camu camu. After 15 minutes, grumpy skin feels hydrated, awakened and healthier. This one is also biodegradable and suitable for all skin types. Let's continue with box 22. I have no clue what we have in here. I'm gonna say a face moisturizer and we have something new. This one is the Himalayan Charcoal Purifying Clay Wash. We didn't have it in the other advent calendars. I have never seen this product before. It can cleanse, purify your skin and also unclog your pores. It contains bamboo charcoal and tea tree oil. We have 125 milliliters, so this is a full size. Oh my god, it smells so nice. So good! Box 23 is right here. Oops. Some other boxes are disagreeing. I'm going to say a face mist. This is the Almond Hand and Nail Manicure Cream. It says expert care for hands and nails. What is the difference with this little guy? I think the scent is exactly the same. About the consistency, it is also very similar. Oh no, the scent is different. This one is a little bit stronger. Okay, it feels very nice. It is fast absorbing as well. Let's continue with box 24. So it is very heavy. I have no clue. I'm going to say a body scrub. Oh my god. We have a body yogurt and we have the British Rose body yogurt, and I have actually tried this in the other scent. what is it? Almond milk and honey, and it was amazing. And I have also tried the body butter with this scent here, and it was giving a pink shimmer to my skin. Yeah, it was weird, but it was also nourishing, so I'm very curious to smell it. Oh, and this one is also vegan, so let's see. Oh my god, it smells amazing. So good! The difference between the body butter and the body yogurt is that this one has a lightweight formula, a lot lighter than this one because this is a butter. This one is more fast absorbing. Also, it's not sticky. It is very lightweight on the skin. I loved the variety of this advent calendar. Also, we had so many full-size products, and for these reasons, I'm gonna give this advent calendar 5 stars. I think it was great. About the ranking of all of the Body Shop advent calendars, in the last spot I'm gonna place the small advent calendar because we had a lot of minis. In second spot I'm gonna place the medium size. In my first place I'm gonna have this one, what we opened today, the ultimate. Let me know in the comments if you like the variety of this advent calendar, and you can watch next this video here. If you like this one, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!